Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our third alternate card using elements from the October 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And it's called Cozy Christmas. So let me just talk through the bits and pieces I have going on here. I've got a pumpkin pie card base. I've got 4¼ by half pieces of one of the card bases cut up, and I used my party banner dies and I cut out from one of the card fronts, and then I cut out the middle so that I can maybe use it for something else, and then I used the next size down party banner die to cut this one out. Again, it's from one of the card fronts, and then I used the stars from the set, and I gold heat embossed them. So, and I've taken the joy and I put the letters down on the card base, and then I fussy cut them out. And I've got one of the stars from the kit as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the the pecan pie, not pie. If I said pumpkin pie, I'm sorry, I meant pecan pie. You're all going, there's no orange in this video. So it's pecan pie. I'm just going around the edge and I'm adding stars all the way around the edge, because most of it's going to be, the middle's going to be covered up. So I just need to put the stars around the edge. So that they can be seen. And what we've got going on with all of this, some of it might look a little more subtle than others, but what we've got going on is these little stars on every element that we're putting on this card. Okay, so the red card base pieces have little stars on them as well, and this card front has the stars on it, and now this card front has the stars on it as well. So I wanted to keep that theme kind of all the way through, have those stars on stars on stars. And I'm going to use the tear and tape just because I've got it. Save me some Stampin' seal. So I'm going to put these on, and again, remember, the edges can be rolled over. If your piece of tear and tape is too long, you can always roll those edges over. And then they won't be sticking out. So there we go. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to take my piercing tool and just peel that off. Fold that end over and that end over. And this we're going to put in the middle. And because these are 4¼ they're kind of edge to edge. So I put that one down first because that gives me a good point of reference for putting the other pieces down. Okay, there we go. And there we go. So now I'm just going to pop this one down here like this. And I've got a couple smudges on here, and I'm trying to figure, I keep looking at my hands because I'm trying to figure out where the ink came from. But anyway, it's not going to make a huge difference. You can't really see them, and most of it's going to be covered up anyway, so. Okay. So then we're going to pop this one down here like this. There we go. All right, so my next step is to adhere this to this piece here. So I'm just going to make sure I'm even top, bottom, and sides. There we go. And now I'm going to dimensionalize this onto here. So somewhere on over here I have dimensionals. There we go. So I'm popping the dimensionals kind of on the corners. Again, it's just another kind of security level of having the adhesive hold everything together. So there we go. And then this will go down right in the middle, like that. So you can see stars on stars on stars. And now we're going to dimensionalize the letters. Again, like I say, I loaded them up on that Joy background, and then I fussy cut the letters out. So the O is going to go right in the middle like that. And again, I'm putting the middle in first so I can adjust where my outside pieces are going. This is going to go here like this. There we go. And then we're going to use, or put the Y down at the bottom, like this. And this is just single dimensional. I'm not really concerned that it's kind of going off the side. And then we're going to just pop the dimensional off this one. Put it in the middle of the O, like that. And then I've got the traditional sparkling sequins again. And I'm going to pop the gold ones on the letters. And where did that one go? Which side is sticky? That side is sticky. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 down here. And I only have so many of these left, so I'm going to just do this one. I'm going to do the J and the Y. And then I'm going to put a large one in the middle. No, not a large one. Maybe I'll put a medium-sized one in the middle of the star. Just like that. So that is our third alternate card using elements from the October 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Cozy Christmas. So stay tuned. I've got 2 more alternates this week.